Welcome to Dr. Sourav's classes, and today we are solving Jadavpur University Economics Undergraduate Entrance Test, and here we are at the question number 7. So here we are being given two equations are there, P1, two parabolas. So here P1, that is y is equal to x square, and P2, that is y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 2. So we have to find a common tangent to both the curves. So let's assume a line y is equal to mx plus c. So it is tangent to both the parabolas. So here for y is equal to x square, what we set? We set x square as mx plus c, or x square minus mx minus c is equals to 0. So for this to be tangent, the discriminant d needs to be what? 0. So then it will be minus m square minus 4, 1 minus c is equals to 0, or m square plus 4c is equals to 0. So that is for now. For y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 2, we will set x square minus 2x plus 2 as mx plus c, or x square minus 2 plus mx plus 2 minus c is equals to 0. So discriminant d is equal to 0. So 2 plus m minus 4, 1, 2 minus c is equals to 0, or 4 plus 4m plus m square minus 8 plus 4c equal to 0. So now we solve the system. So here we solve, so we get c from this as minus m square by 4. Okay, so here we will plug this 2 and get m square plus 4m plus 4 multiplied by minus m square by 4 minus 4, that is equals to 0, or m square plus 4m minus m square minus 4 equal to 0. So from this what we get? C as minus 1 square by 4. We put the value of m, so that's 1 by 4 minus 1 minus 1, so it's m square. So then the common tangent will be y equal to x minus 1 by 4. So that is x minus 0.25. So my correct option will be y equal to x minus 0.25. Option D is your correct answer.